Good morning, sir.
Ah, hello, Thomas. Where are you off to on this fine morning?
I'm going to pick up some goods from Ulfstead Castle.
Well, be sure to fill up with coal and water. We have a lot to do today, and I need you back here as quickly as possible.
Right away, sir. I'll be back before you can say confusion and delay. Ah, that's better. A nice long drink. Right, now I'm ready to go. Next stop, Gordon's Hill. Oh my! Gordon's Hill doesn't normally look that high. Here goes. Whoa! Right, that's it. I'm gonna take a really long run up and hit it at speed. Whoa! A little help, please! Hello, sir. Did you say confusion and delay?
I always do, Thomas. I always do.